I know you click on the title saying Fantasia, Monday Fantasia wig, holiday hair, but I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you, a big massive thank you to all of you. Oh my god, 100 subscribers. I mean, what have I done to deserve that? I'm lost for word. I really am. I did not even think my channel would get watched or get liked or get comments on, never mind subscribing, having 5, 10, 15, 100 subscribers. Ma que siamos quesando. Hey, ma que siamos quesando. Oh my god, like I'm so happy. A huge thank you to all of you. I know 100 subscribers for most people is like, why do you have to make music about it? It's only 100 subscribers. It's not just only 100 subscribers to me. It means a lot. I appreciate every single one of you. So let's get on this video on what I'm wearing on my holiday mood and the wig I've chosen to use today. Well, it's party time anyway, and also as well as this outfit I'm wearing. Okay, let's get right on it. Okay, this wig is called Fantasia. It's Monday 5-inch lace part wig. Her name is Fantasia. Just gonna open her up and hopefully she's gonna get me all feeling holiday. She reminds me of the Monday Rex wig. Suppose that's why I got her. That's what drew me to her, because she reminds me of Monday Rex. Let's go. Okay, straight away I can see she's got, oh, this is strange. She's got one comb on the side, just one there, and anywhere else, this is odd looking wig, man. Another comb in the back. That is it, is it? No, one more on the side, right. She's got 3 combs in total. One on the top near the lace part, one on the other side, and one at the back. So here she is. She's not too long. She's around about the kind of unit I'm drawn to. So that's what the part is looking like. I wonder if I will need to pluck it, because the part looks so good. I don't think I will need to pluck her. Can you guys see that? That is beautiful. Okay, and then she got this exaggerated, wow, a lot of filler hair going on in there though, guys. But let's try her on. Let's try her on and see what we're working with. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, she's got me looking hot. Hot, hot, hot mama. Hot mama. That's her. Oh my god. I tell you now, I'm getting her in every color. So, I'm so pleased with her. Can you check this bang out? I mean, look at that, guys. Just look at this baby. OMG. She's giving me life. I want her in that blonde. I want her in that copper. I want her in every color. I want her in black. I got her from afrostyling.com. I will leave their website somewhere down below for you guys if you fancy getting your hands on her. All this, you know, just throw on and go. You saw what I did. I add foundation inside out before I put it on. Then once I had it on, I add another, just a little bit there to make it look more natural. I have not plucked it. I have not even need to pluck it. I did not need to pluck it because the part looks so realistic. I'm gonna go off, you know, later on I might need to add my elastic band to it. I prefer it to be slightly on a snug side. This wig is huge though, I must say. It's quite a big wig, like size wise. Lot of gap going on the back. It doesn't bother me. Once I add my elastic to it, that usually sort it out for me. So that is her. She's called Mondel 5-inch overburns lace part. Okay, she is curly iron safe. If you ever want to coil or straighten her, I don't advise you do that, but at least they give you that option to coil her if you want to do so as the wig get older. So that is it, guys. I don't think I have forgotten anything. Okay, this is it. One more thing I just wanted to add is a bit more of FYI what I'm wearing. I will include a picture of the full outfit. I didn't have somebody to really take proper picture for me, but I did the best I could by myself. I'm all alone this minute. But as the bag I'll be wearing tonight, matching with the shoes. Alright, absolutely stunning. See that? And they weren't bought together. They just happened to match. And if you were wondering where I got it from, I got them all, including this outfit, from everything5pound.com. They have had me slaying since 2012. So you can look good. You can feel good on budget. You don't need to break the bank to look the part. So this wig himself was $39.99. And so yeah, all in all, I got to go on this do we're doing tonight and look good. I'm feeling good already on a budget. Okay, this is it, everybody. This is it. I'm gonna leave it here. If I have forgotten anything, I will leave you down. I will leave anything I've forgotten down for you guys to check out. All right, guys, I think I'm rambling now. I'm gonna leave it here, and I wish everybody a successful and blissful 2019. All right, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. I will see you on the next video. Ciao.